GirmaDejenie, coordinator of the Entoto Observatory Space Science Research Center, underscored the center, being aligned with the space shuttles that Ethiopia has previously launched into the space and with other satellites, gathers critical information about agricultural, climatic, forestry, water bodies and other essential aspects so as to address them to various concerned institutions for further engagements.
በዚህ ሳለ በአገር ደረጃ ላይ ታላቁ የህዳሴ ግድባችንን ጨምሮ
Right now, information of paramount importance, whether it be about the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam or aerial surveying information and any other thing, is being directly delivered from the center. We deliver this information to the appropriate bodies with the information to further develop it, as well as implementing bodies and even consult them whenever needed.
Recently, a kind of visit that intends to acquaint the center and its activities with the generation is conducted. The artists who visited the center recommended that the generation shall know and perceive the necessity of such centers for the overall growth of the country and may get interest to skill up the needed capacity of the discipline. Betlehem Neguse, Deputy Director of the Space Science and Geospatial Institute, has pointed out artists of the nation are expected to imprint the vitality of the center in the minds of the generation so that they shall act accordingly.
ውሃ መስሎና ቆላማ የከተማ ልማት የደን ጥበቃ
Institutions engaged in water development, irrigation and lowlands, city development, forestry care and others of various activities receive the information from the center and act as the backbone of the country's strategy. We are sophisticating them to depend on the scientific evidences and are striving to upgrade ourselves in these aspects. We have plans to launch other space shuttles as well. We are working on it. Our experiences about the space are tied up with the science fiction movies and other literary works. We like similar things to occur in Ethiopia. Hence, we believe our artists, authors, actors, and other practitioners who can reach the society at large and the children in particular can impact them.
Artists on their part appreciated the center's activities and said the Entoto Observatory Space Science Research Center is an implication of Ethiopia's current technological status.
I'm highly astounded by whatever I saw in the center. I'm really taken by what I observed. I got an additional thing to get proud of my country. It's an additional point of pride for the nation. I'd recommend the young generation starting from the preliminary school levels and the high schools up until the university level to visit the center for the sake of their own curiosity and developing the nation. In addition, I think our visit would help to deal with the space issues in our artworks in the future, like the way foreign artists have been dealing in their movies, literature and the likes.
According to the center's additional release, the information that it has been collecting so far supported the agricultural development endeavors of the nation and is also helping to halt the undesirable natural disasters.
Here we saw technological things that we learned theoretically in our school days. I remember in my geography class, I knew the Milky Way galaxy only on papers. I saw the practical image here in the observatory. For instance, we observed the Earth's real image to the extent that satisfied our questions. We saw great technologies here. It must not end in visiting only, but transform it into a kind of artistic productions. TV stations must entertain it. It shall be manifested in our dramas and films. Our fictional works and poetry must consider our space endeavors. I believe we artists are expected to awaken the rest of the society with the country's space engagement activities.
The Entoto Observatory Space Science Research Center is fully dedicated of delivering significant information to the concerned bodies aiming to enhance the nation's versatile development, the center affirmed.